In 2025, Monese continues to stand out as one of the leading mobile banking apps in Europe, especially for people who want flexibility without the hassle of traditional banks. But the real question is Monese still worth using in 2025, or are there better options available? Let's dive in. Monese is a mobile-only bank account designed for simplicity and accessibility. Opening an account is quick. In most cases, you can set it up directly from your smartphone in minutes, without needing proof of address or a perfect credit score. This makes Monese especially popular among expats, freelancers, and people who move often across countries. The app itself is user-friendly, clean, and packed with useful features. You can send and receive payments instantly, manage multiple currencies, and set up direct debits. One of its biggest advantages is its multi-currency support, which allows you to hold and spend in GBP, Euro, and RON. If you travel or work internationally, this can save you money on fees. Speaking of fees, Monese offers different account tiers. The free plan is great for basic users, but if you want lower foreign exchange costs, higher limits, or premium perks like insurance, you'll need one of the paid subscriptions. Compared to competitors, the fees are reasonable but not always the cheapest, especially if you make a lot of international transactions. Security-wise, Monese is regulated in the UK and EU and uses strong encryption and biometric login options. Your money is kept in safeguarded accounts, meaning it's separated from company funds. That adds a layer of trust, even though Monese isn't technically a traditional bank. Now, what about the downsides? Monese does not offer as many advanced financial products as some rivals. For example, you won't find investments, loans, or full credit card options here. It's built for everyday banking, travel, and payments, not for complex wealth management. Also, while customer service has improved, it can still feel slower compared to big banks. So, is Monese worth it in 2025? If you want a fast, flexible mobile bank, especially for travel, moving abroad, or managing multiple currencies, Monese is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, well-designed, and avoids much of the paperwork of traditional banks. But if you're looking for a full-service bank with investment options, high savings interest, or advanced products, Monese might feel too limited. In the end, Monese is a convenient, everyday banking solution that works best for people who value speed, simplicity, and international flexibility.